Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Check whether your PC is on battery or plugged in, because power mode changes brightness behavior. Once done, open Settings, press Windows+I for speed, and go to System. If an external monitor is attached, make sure it's powered and recognized so adjustments apply. This gets you straight to the display controls. By starting here, you avoid drivers and control panel detours and prepare for the next, more detailed steps. Now, under System Display, use the brightness slider for integrated panels. Drag slowly to fine-tune and observe changes in real time so you avoid overshooting. If your external monitor doesn't respond, switch to the monitor's OSD or proprietary app. Windows can't control some displays directly. Also consider toggling night light for warmer tones or HDR for extended range. These affect perceived brightness and contrast, so make sure changes match both comfort and content requirements before finalizing. Finish by aligning brightness with power preferences. Open Power and Battery to set ranges for plugged versus battery use so brightness scales correctly. If the brightness slider is missing or unresponsive, update your display adapter driver in Device Manager, then restart. Make sure Windows Update has the latest system patches and reconnect external monitors if they disappear. If problems persist, reboot once more and check the monitor's firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.